I am Gayatri, working as assistant professor in EC department at SNS College of Technology. Today I am going to discuss about the topic De-Multiplexer. Under the unit 2 combinational circuits was studied by second year third semester by the students and under the unit digital electronics. Today I am going to discuss about the introduction part of demultiplexer and what are the categories in the demultiplexer, and going to discuss the advantages, disadvantages and applications where the demultiplexer is used. In between the presentation there will be activity based upon the topic, and at last the assessment question will be there based on the topic what we have discussed. First one is multiplexer. The multiplexer is nothing but it is one of the combination circuit. The combination circuit is represents the memoryless circuits that performs a reverse operation of multiplexer. In the multiplexer, we can have many input and one output. In a demultiplexer, one input and many outputs depending upon the n selection lines. One of the data input will be connected to the output based upon the values of selection line. In the multiplier and demultiplier, based upon the selection lines only, the output will be there. Coming to the types of demultiplier, which we are having 1 cross 4 multiplier, 1 cross 8 multiplier and 1 cross 16 multiplier. 1 cross 2 multiplier is also available, and depending upon the selection line the output will be there. The 1 cross 4 multiplier will be designed by using two 1 cross 2 multiplier, and 1 cross 8 multiplier will be designed by using two 1 cross 4 multiplier, and 1 cross 16 multiplier will be developed by using 1 cross 8 and 1 cross 8 to 1 cross 8 demultiplier. Depending upon increasing the demultiplier combination, the previous type will be used to design the particular demultiplexer. Coming to 1 cross 4 demultiplexer, the 1 cross 4 demultiplexer will be having first 1 represents input and 4 represents output, so that it is having only one input line, and it is having two selection lines which is having S0 and S1, and also it is having 4 output line which is Y0, Y2, Y1 and Y3. This is the block diagram of 1 cross 4 demultiplexer which is having one input and two selection lines and 4 output lines. And, based upon the 1 cross 4 multiplier, the truth table is drawn depending upon the selection inputs. When S0 and S1 is 0, 0, the Y0 output will be 1. When the S0 and S1 will be 0, 1, Y1 will be 1. 1, 0, Y2 will be 1, double 1, the Y3 will be 1. Then coming to the activity which is based upon the digital electronics, what we have discussed previously. Then coming to the logic diagram of 1 cross 4 multiplier, we can implement this Boolean function using inverters, and also we will design by using the 3 input AND gate. The circuit diagram of 1 cross 4 demultiplexer is shown below, which is having one input line and two selection lines, and there will be 4 output lines. And coming to 1 cross 8 demultiplexer, in 1 cross 8 demultiplexer is designed by using two 1 cross 4 demultiplexer and one 1 cross 2 multiplier. Here in 1 cross 2 multiplier there will be a one input and two output, and the selection line will be 1. And coming to 1 cross 4 demultiplexer, which is having one input and four output lines, and there will be two selection lines will be there. And similarly for a 1 cross 8 multiplier, the truth table is drawn, and it is having three selection lines S0, S1 and S2, and the output will be Y0 to Y7. And coming to the applications of demultiplexer, it will be connected, used to connect the single source to the multiple destination. Where single source in the figure, they are represented as laptop, and the selector device is used. Here the selector device is demultiplier. Depending upon the selection line, we can choose one of the outputs. The outputs will be a Bluetooth speaker, fax machine, printers and smartphone. Depending upon the selection line, when the selection line is 0 0, the Bluetooth speaker will be on 0 1 fax machine, 1 0 printer and 1 1 the smartphone will be connected to the single source devices. Then one of the when we are combining multiplier and demultiplier circuit, in a mux circuit they will be having many input and one output, and it is connected to the demultiplier, one input and it is having many output signal. Assessment questions: what is demultiplier, and we have to design 1x8 demultiplier, and where the applications of demultiplier is used.